Welcome back to the Car Collection, where we cover everything from high horsepower monsters to off-road icons, and today, we've got something small in size but big in attitude. This is the 2026 Toyota Baby Land Cruiser, and don't let the name fool you. This thing is ready to get dirty. Now let's get into it. At first glance, the Baby Land Cruiser looks like the spiritual successor to the FJ Cruiser, but downsized and modernized. Boxy? Yep. Rugged? Absolutely. Toyota nailed the retro meets future styling here. Round LED headlights, a bold grille, upright windshield, chunky fenders, and short overhangs. This is a 4x4 with real presence, and it's built for the trail, not the valet line. Under the hood, you're looking at a 1.8 or 2.0-liter hybrid engine, depending on the market, efficient, torquey, and reliable. Power figures are expected to hover around 200 to 220 horsepower, paired with Toyota's tried-and-true E4 all-wheel drive system. There's also talk of a manual transmission option for the off-road purists. Yes, you heard that right, a stick shift in 2026. Now here's where it gets real. This isn't just an SUV with a rugged look. The Baby Land Cruiser is expected to feature a ladder frame chassis, or at the very least, Toyota's ultra-capable TNGAF platform, the same bones used in the big boy Land Cruiser 300 in the new Tacoma. Translation? This thing can wheel. Expect real off-road kit, hill descent control, locking differential, multiple terrain modes, underbody protection, and solid ground clearance. This isn't a soft-roader, it's a go-anywhere machine built for the new generation of adventurers. Inside? Think modern minimalist. Durable materials, washable floors and some trims, rubberized controls, but still with Toyota's latest tech, a 12-inch touchscreen, wireless CarPlay, and Android Auto, and Toyota Safety Sense standard across the board. You'll get seating for 5, decent cargo space, and a design that balances everyday usability with backcountry toughness. Fuel economy? Way better than any old-school off-roader. Toyota's hybrid tech ensures you're getting the capability and efficiency in one package. Pricing? Expected to start around $30,000, topping out just under $40,000 for fully loaded models with all the off-road goodies. That puts it right in the sweet spot, less than a Bronco, more capable than a Crosstrek, and far more authentic than most SUVs in this size class. So, who's the 2026 Baby Land Cruiser for? The new school overlander. The weekend trail runner. The city driver who wants to escape the pavement without switching to a full-size rig. It's not a toy, it's a tool with attitude. Would you take this over a Bronco Sport, Suzuki Jimny, or even a Base Wrangler? Let us know in the comments. And of course, hit that like, tap subscribe, and keep it locked right here on the Car Collection, where the off-road legends, the street beasts, and everything in between live.